All Souls' Day, also known as the Commemoration of all the faithful departed and the Day of the Dead, is a day of prayer and remembrance for the souls of those who have died. This day is observed by Catholics and other Christian denominations annually on November 2nd, and it is observed by offering prayers for the departed soul, visits to cemeteries, and special meals. All Souls' Day is also called the Feast of All Souls, the Day of Remembrance, and Commemoration of all the faithful departed. This day is observed by Roman Catholics, the Eastern Orthodox Church, the Lutherans, the Anglicans, the Methodists, and other Christian denominations. In Shillong, the day was observed in different parishes of the Catholic Church. In remembrance of the departed souls, faithful laid wreaths and bouquets on tombs of their beloved, while priests blessed the entire cemetery through chanting of texts from the Holy Book and through prayers.